Hello ladies and welcome to today's Behind the Seams. Today we are here to style up Luca.
Welcome lovelies. I feel like we're two superstars. Really.
In their outfits?
Look at you.
I love this top. Look.
I know.
This is Jess, my bestie Jess loves these.
Yeah.
Well, it's more of a fitted, but she likes the poofy sleeves.
Yeah, I love it.
And look at the elastic.
Yeah.
Very cute.
Very cute.
Slit here.
Yeah. Oh, the beautiful slits. Nice mandolin collar.
Yeah, I love
Beautiful.
the collar.
Yeah.
And I chose our Lousje Bean long tank dress in the rib knit. It feels amazing.
Yeah, it feels amazing.
So good.
Yeah.
It feels so good. I don't
Yeah.
want to take it off.
No, I know.
And then some Soriglio to zhuzh it up.
Sure. And I love your little ponytail. And the lovelies have commented that you should wear it more in a ponytail because it looks really cute on you. You look so young. Mm. Anyway.
So we're both wearing gnome ladies.
Yeah.
Which we are loving.
In love with.
Yeah.
In love. This
In
is
love
an
with.
amazing top. We had our open house a few weeks ago and one of you lovelies came, tried it on. The orange, then the blue, and it was definitely the blue for you. You look amazing in it and you were so excited and yeah, it's gone. You took it home. And the back of this tunic is so darling. It's got tears and gathering and it's just so beautiful. And I'm wearing collared tricot pants, fit large, so size down a size, but they're great summer pants, great fabric, seersucker.
Yeah, they're beautiful. But you have yours rolled a few times.
I have my band rolled because they're very high-waisted.
Yeah.
And they're roomy, but I'm definitely small in them. And if you are medium, I would go too small. But they're great summer pants with lots of room to be cool in.
Nice. Awesome.
Okay. I love this piece, by the way.
I know.
What a stunner.
It's a statement. And we have a few colors.
I
It's
shortened
so
it up a
beautiful.
little bit.
Yeah. Yeah. Cool.
And look what I kept.
No.
I haven't taken them off.
No.
I love them,
I know.
Tessa.
I knew I'd love them.
They're so unique and dainty, but so stylish with the rest, right?
I know. And then the little
my
tassels.
bangles,
Don't you
yeah.
love those showing?
I know.
You know? So yes, and Lucia missed quite the event when you were away.
What was it?
The women's,
Yes,
yeah.
the university women's
Yeah.
talk that you did without me.
I know.
Yeah.
So we had a whole video planned, me and Lucia, that you ladies saw the next Sunday, I believe we released it, of how we started our business. But there was a glitch there at the hall.
Yeah. The technical.
And they couldn't play it. So I had to just
do the whole thing.
Yeah, which was fine, of course. I mean, you know, what more to talk about than something you're so passionate about,
It's true.
you know? And
Yeah.
I think that's why we feel, a lot of people say we look so natural up here.
Yeah.
But it's really when you feel good about what you're talking
It's so
about
true.
and you know, you
just
know,
go. You just
yeah,
go.
it's easy, right?
Yeah.
So anyways, here's a few clips for you lovelies to see. My name is Tessa. I'm 45 years old. I was born in Grimsby, raised in Niagara and St. Catharines. As you can imagine, you know, building a business, it is not easy. We made our first collection in January 2006, and then we did the home shows. So after the home shows, we started doing the One of a Kind show in Toronto. So all Canadian made, of course. And as we did more and more shows over the years, I believe it was a year and a half before we got our first boutique. So we were on James Street for about 12 years. And we had an event in our store on James Street. Here she wants to do it. She wanted to do it.
I went into that store the first time when it was on James Street. And I just loved all the clothes. But, I started buying different things as time went on. So my closet has several things and they still all look good.
Oh, there's questions already.
Yeah, please.
Yes.
I'd like to know where you source the fabric from.
Yes, okay, for sure. We have an essentials collection, which is a bamboo spandex. It's beautiful. And
This is almost one of yours.
yeah.
This one here is one of
the knits. And we have a mill in Toronto, believe it or not. This is turning into a fashion show, ladies. This is one of our inspired lines from Turkey. Oh, you look great. Okay, you look wonderful. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful.
I was definitely sorry I missed it because it would have been lovely to do it together.
Yeah.
But you did, and I've spoken to a few of the ladies that were there and they said you did a bang on job.
Oh, thank you. Well, no,
Yeah.
it was great.
Yeah.
And they were such lovely ladies. And we had so many people coming in the boutique after. So Eileen, that was amazing. Thank you. Weeks after, Colleen kept saying, you know, another lady from,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
it
Oh,
was
that's
really
great.
nice.
That's
And we
great.
did send out the video after so the ladies got to see it. So that's great. It was a lovely night.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have Luca here. Luca
Yeah.
is from Poland. Beautiful collection. We love it. Lots of natural fabrics.
Absolutely beautiful.
This is a big unboxing.
We have to motor
Oh,
through.
okay, so here we go. So I'm just gonna stand up. This, ladies, is a jumper. Linen, nice heavy gauge linen. Beautiful. Look at this.
It's so adorable.
It's so cute. But wait till you see this on because it's beautiful, the fit of it.
Yeah, you see this like this and you are
On the hanger.
thinking, maybe not for me, but you're gonna style
Oh,
it tomorrow.
it's so beautiful. It's so
Oh.
feminine and everything falls in the right spot.
It's the weight of the linen.
The weight of
too,
the
right?
linen too, yeah, absolutely. And this I bought especially with your name on it.
Ah, lovely.
Isn't that beautiful,
Oh,
Mom?
adorable.
I know.
Absolutely adorable.
Lucia loves her little bolero
I
jackets.
love my little jackets.
100% linen.
And I love the color.
Look at the collar. Striking.
Striking.
One button here. You should see that on as well.
Yeah,
Little
yeah.
pockets.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, little
Little pockets
I
in
know.
the seam. Oh, Tessa, I love it.
the natural linen.
And this over that.
I know. Over.
Oh my.
Yeah.
What a gorgeous outfit.
Gorgeous outfit. And the linen from Luca, ladies, it's top notch. It's
Yeah.
it's really good quality linen.
Yeah,
Oh,
it is.
these are
It's-
cute.
Well, Poland is known for their linens, eh?
Yes.
Yeah.
And the knits. Look at how cute is
Oh
that.
my. A little top that is
Yeah.
beautifully,
Little-
lovely fabric.
Tank.
Yeah.
Look at all the details.
Yeah, the
Raw
raw
edge.
edging.
Curls up.
And don't you find
Bubbles
that
in a bit.
this almost lies on top of it? This black band. you
Yeah.
know, when you see it from afar.
It's beautiful. And then
Gorgeous.
the back is just plain.
Yeah, really nice.
It's a great little basic
Really
to have.
nice.
And again, the cotton in that, the
Yeah.
cotton lycra is beautiful. And then of course, as you know, we love our boxy tops.
Oh my, that's adorable.
You could look at the pocket, Mum.
Adorable.
I know.
Yeah.
You can layer this over our tank dress, our
Yeah.
pencil skirt, any
Great,
skirt,
great, great.
and this too.
Yeah, I know.
So sweet.
And this around the bottom and the neckline.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
The fabric's wonderful.
Wonderful. What
Okay, and then
gorgeousness is that?
yeah, so they have a whole series here.
Oh, I love
of
the
this.
silver gray
Yeah,
with the
dusty gray.
anthracite gray, I call this, you know?
Yeah.
Or pewter gray.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful.
So beautiful tunic
beautiful.
dress,
Oh,
sleeveless.
love.
Pockets, ladies.
Yeah.
All these great details on the side here to
Yeah,
make the flow of it.
amazing.
Yeah,
Big pocket here. Look how cool is that?
I
At
know.
the seam.
and a nice screen print on it.
Love it.
Very
love,
cool.
Love.
And then there is, well, here, there's a tunic. So if you don't want the dress, there's a tunic.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, they do their tunics so beautifully.
So beautiful.
I remember last year we had an amazing one in stripe like this
Yes.
design
Yes.
silhouette, and it was
Yeah,
gorgeous and
all
it flew.
these different panels and
Because
yeah.
it fits so beautifully, ladies, on all sizes. So this is a 0, which we've marked as an extra small. So I know in this collection, they go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But if we've found that it's fitting smaller or bigger, we're gonna use the extra small, like North American sizing to kind of, so this is a 0, but it's an extra small.
Yeah, that's your benchmark. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Gorgeous.
And then look at this, because I know leggings
Oh.
are always a hit.
Always.
Always, especially these European leggings that
Yeah.
have a little flair to it.
Yeah, they do.
The fabric,
Yeah, the fabric
The raw edge
The raw
curl
edging.
and
The design, of course.
Yeah.
And look how the seams are they look a little washed out.
well, yeah, it's the fabric,
I
right?
love
They
that.
almost press the fabric after. See?
Yeah, here too.
Yeah.
And there, yeah.
So
Beautiful.
these are size 1 ladies, 1 but it's a small. Okay. They fit a bit smaller, the leggings.
Yes.
We advise to size up in the legging.
Yeah.
Okay, and then to bring both outfits all together, we have this gorgeous duster.
Oh,
I would oh,
adore,
I know,
adore.
and pockets.
Yeah.
The fabric again,
Gorgeous shawl color.
unbelievable. I
Yeah,
wanna,
so
it's
much
like a
fabric
cotton.
in this, eh?
Yeah. Cotton and rayon, so 50,
Yeah.
54 cotton.
Beautiful blend for the summer.
Yeah.
Right.
We'll pair that up. We'll get Lucia to put that on for you. And it's so beautiful.
You know, have you noticed how they finish all their seams with the bias tape?
Yeah.
Which is so beautiful. You know, you almost want to wear it inside out.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous,
Gorgeous.
finishing and all the insides.
Yeah. And what a great print. Like it's a
know.
classic, beautiful,
I
you
know.
We love
All these,
so
these
European.
soft. It's so European.
it's so
Yeah.
European. It's just timeless, classic, gorgeous. I know.
What
do you see
I
this color?
see here?
So here we go. Look at this color, ladies.
Oh, Tessa.
Little jacket.
Oh my. Oh, I love
I know, isn't
this.
it beautiful?
Oh,
Nice little
my
collar.
Goodness. Oh.
And you're speaking of La bias tape. Look at the inside of this. I know.
I would wear this inside out.
It's cool.
Look how cool this is.
You should pull it out.
You can probably. Well, you just have the buttons, but you could work with that. Oh my God. Then you've got a little black and white check. Oh my God, look how adorable.
You're so cute.
Look, no, really, Tessa. Isn't
It's
this
beautiful.
adorable?
Yeah.
Oh, and it's got this little pleat in the back.
Pleat in the back.
Wow. Wow, this is also
And it's a light taffeta, ladies.
Yeah.
Just a light poly.
over all your summer sleeveless.
Yeah.
Or your main event in the summer, to wear to your main event. Sure, all of
It's
you
a
have been
smasher.
invited or will be invited to, you know, showers, weddings,
Yeah, we're going to have a shower coming up.
birthdays.
Wedding shower.
No, Tessa, no.
Lucia's never had a wedding shower in her life, ladies.
God, no. They do.
I'm gonna
they
rent
don't
out the
do
hall,
showers
and we're
in
gonna have a
Holland.
shower.
Oh God, no.
Okay, there's still some beautiful pieces here.
Oh, look at that.
So
What
this
is
is a
it?
tunic,
Oh,
a very oversized tunic.
oh, I love it.
I know it's not going to look like much here, but wait till you see it on.
Yeah, with leggings, right?
Yeah, but look at the back.
Yeah, gorgeous. And pockets. Oh,
Yeah.
I like it. Big slits.
Big slits on the side.
Well,
nice heavy linen. It's so beautiful.
the linen is amazing. But leggings or white legged pants.
Yeah, absolutely.
black
yeah,
or
yeah,
white.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And they only had 2 colors, but we couldn't resist to get
Oh,
both
yeah.
because this is a stunner. Oh, hello.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi. So here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the pink.
Yeah. Oh, look, they top stitched the pocket. I always love that.
Yeah.
Both these colors are good for us.
Yeah.
And
many-
for most of
many
you
women,
lovelies. Yeah.
And then
All
there
of
go.
you, I would
These
say.
beautiful shelled buttons.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous. And I believe that comes in 2 sizes. So it's
Yeah.
a big comfort fit.
Yeah.
And
that
then
would
look,
make
you're going to
sense.
love this.
Little jacket.
Another little
Oh
jacket.
my God.
Look at that.
Oh, adorpsy.
I know.
Yeah.
Stunner.
Stunner. Look at the collar, like
The
way
collar.
it
Yeah,
overlaps.
I know. It's substantial.
Oh, the
Beautiful.
cut of this jacket.
Yeah, and then 3 big shell buttons. And of course, we couldn't say no to the gorgeous turquoise.
Oh,
Beautiful.
absolutely gorgeous. Tessa.
This over the jumper, the black jumper. I'm going to style that up for you, ladies.
Oh yeah, well either of them, right?
Yeah, either
Oh,
of them. I'll
yes.
style that up for you. We'll take our pick and we'll divvy it up here.
Yes, for sure.
One more showstopper. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I was so excited about this, but I had to try it on first before purchasing it because I thought, ooh, that could go either way.
Yeah, it's with a lot of these items. Oh my goodness, what is this beauty? Oh my, oh my. Oh, look at this.
It is so darling on. It is
Oh,
unbelievable.
Tessa. Oh my God.
It's so beautiful. and light.
And light
And gorgeous.
And this, I love this neckline. I know exactly how that will
It's
look.
gonna, honestly, when I saw it on the hanger, I thought, ooh, like I said, it could go either way, and it went the right way, ladies. It's
But
swung
Tessa,
the right way.
then look at this.
Yes. So they had that too.
They did?
In the catalog.
Oh, look how
And they
this
had it on
pops.
display. It was so beautiful together.
Oh,
Yeah. And I must comment, ladies, on the quality of Luca. It's very beautiful quality as well.
it's like all these lines, right? Like Kirsten and Brom, Alambika. It's you're
Beautiful.
collecting art. That's what you're doing.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Okay.
All right, so watch out for the next 2 days. Me and Lucia are gonna style them up. We're gonna have to fight over this guy.
For
I'm
sure.
just joking. But yes, please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always,
Keep on smiling.